Okay guys, do you have an Echo weed eater that bogs down upon full throttle? Well, today guys, I'm going to show you how to fix that. If you change your carburetor, change your spark plug, clean your carburetor and it still bogs down guys, this is what you'll need to do. First you'll need to get you a flathead precision screwdriver like this one guys. Next you'll need to locate your high speed screw on your carburetor, which is under your primer bulb guys, right there. And sometimes they do have a rubber tamper proof screw in there guys, which you'll need a special tool to remove. I leave a picture and a link in the description guys, the model number for that part. It's a Echo tool. The next step guys, we'll just crank our weed eater and then we'll run it at full throttle while adjusting that high speed screw. So we'll just go to full throttle guys. Adjust the screw. So that's where we want it guys. So you just want to turn that screw guys until you get a smooth acceleration at full throttle. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.